Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aruna here. Today I'm back with a new video on unboxing Cobeads products. As I have collaborated with Cobeads, they reached me to make few videos for them using their products. So I selected few of my favorite items from their huge list of items to make my craft videos using their products. So today I will show you an unboxing video for Cobeads. This time I picked some quilling papers, some acrylic beads, some laser cut wooden shapes, few Christmas themed unfinished wooden cutouts, some wooden pendants, some stencils and few more. If you go online and search for Cobeads, you will get to see that they have a huge number of products on alloy enamel pendants, jewelry beads, gemstones, acrylic beads, aluminium chains, brass beads, Tibetan style alloy beads, resin charms, enamel pendants, and many more. You will also find mini canvases, brushes, handmade pearl for necklace jewelry. If you are interested to shop from their website, then use my coupon code which you will get in the video description box to get amazing discount on your total purchase. So let's begin. The first item that I got today are some flat round-shaped big wooden pendants. These pendants are 60 by 2.5 mm in size with a 1.5 mm hole. These pendants are looking just beautiful and these are perfect for making DIY earrings or pendants. And this package comes with 100 pieces, which is just huge in quantity. The second item that I got today are some colorful natural wood beads, which is about 6 mm wide with a 1.5 mm hole. This package comes with 200 pieces, which is just perfect for making beads garland or a wooden bracelet. I love this beautiful acrylic apple-shaped beads. This looks so beautiful and just perfect for sewing projects, especially for the kids. They would love to see this cute apple button on their dresses. Next, I selected some wooden snowflakes laser cutout. This package comes with 50 pieces. I also took some rabbit-shaped wooden laser cutout for my Easter projects. These are so cute. Here I got some laser cut wood shapes on flowers, leaves. They provided different shapes flower cutout for DIY projects. I'm so happy to see this heart-shaped wooden cutout. These are so cute. The size is about 19.5 by 19.5 mm. I also picked some laser cut wood shapes. I picked these shapes to create my DIY Christmas projects for upcoming Christmas. These shapes are like 21.5 by 28.5 mm. These packages comes with 2 bags containing 100 pieces. The last item for today is a set of thank you stickers which comes together in a plastic bag with 10 sheets. These oval-shaped thank you stickers are perfect for attaching to your gift bag. Thanks Cobeads for choosing me to work with you. Thanks for watching my videos. Very soon I will come back with another DIY video with using these products from Cobeads. Those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.